Today, we're going on an adventure with my special friend, Mochi the Bunny. Look, Mochi is looking out the window. What's that sound? It's the pitter-patter of rain. It's a rainy day. But don't worry, a little rain won't stop our fun. Mochi is ready for some rainy day fun. Let's get ready to go outside. What do you need when it's raining? A raincoat, of course. Mochi is putting on a super bright and cheerful raincoat. Look at that color. It's a yellow raincoat. Can you say yellow? Great job! Zip, 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 Mochi zips up the yellow raincoat all the way to the top. Now Mochi is ready to stay dry and cozy while exploring the rainy world outside. That's a beautiful yellow raincoat. Okay, Mochi is all dressed and ready to go. The rain is still coming down, so what else might be helpful? I know, an umbrella. Mochi opens up a big, beautiful umbrella. Pop, it opens right up. Look at the color of this umbrella. It's a blue umbrella. What a lovely shade of blue. The raindrops are bouncing right off of it. Tap, tap, tap. Mochi is holding the blue umbrella, keeping nice and dry underneath. Now for the best part of any rainy day. What do you see on the ground when it rains? Puddles. Mochi sees a big round puddle. It looks so inviting. What do you think Mochi's going to do? 1, 2, 3. Jump! Mochi jumps right into the middle of the puddle. Splash! Water goes everywhere. That looks like so much fun. Jumping in puddles is a wonderful splashy game. Let's do it again. Splash! What a happy bunny! Oh, after all the splashing and playing, the rain starts to slow down. The clouds begin to part, and look. The sun is peeking out from behind them. And when the sun shines after it rains, something magical can appear in the sky. Do you see it? Whoa, look at that! It's a rainbow. A beautiful, glowing rainbow stretches across the sky. It's so sparkly and bright. Look at all the amazing colors. Mochi is looking up at the beautiful rainbow with a big smile. What a perfect end to a rainy day adventure. What a fantastic day. After all that fun in the rain, it's time to come inside and get warm and cozy. Mochi takes off the wet raincoat and boots and wraps up in a soft blanket. And what's the best treat after playing outside? A yummy cup of hot cocoa. Mochi is sipping the warm, delicious drink, feeling so happy and comfortable. The rainy day adventure was a success, full of color and fun. Mochi is feeling very warm and cozy. Now, let's see what you remember from our story. Are you ready for some questions? What color is Mochi's raincoat? ... That's right, it is yellow. What does Mochi jump in? ... You got it, a puddle. What does Mochi see in the sky after the rain? ... Yes, a rainbow. You did an amazing job. Thank you so much for joining Mochi and me on our rainy day adventure. I hope you had as much fun as we did. Tone, don't forget to look for colors and fun the next time you see a rainy day. See you next time for another story. Bye-bye.